I will compare the new Samsung Galaxy A55 with Motorola Razr 40 Ultra. Samsung Galaxy A55 comes with 6.6 inches Super AMOLED display and success ratio 19:5:9. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra 6.9 inches foldable LTP AMOLED display and success ratio 21:9. Samsung Galaxy A55 run on the Android 14 operating system. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra run on the Android 13 operating system. Samsung Galaxy A55 it comes with 8GB, 12GB RAM and 28GB to 56GB internal storage. Samsung Exynos 1480 processor and GPU X chipset 513. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra it comes with 8GB, 12GB RAM and 256GB 512GB internal storage. Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor and GPU Adreno 730. Samsung Galaxy A55 real set triple camera setup 50MP plus 12MP plus 5MP front camera 32MP. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra real set dual camera setup 12MP plus 13MP front camera 32MP. Samsung Galaxy A55 5000 mAh battery 25W fast charging support. Motorola Razr 40 Ultra 3800 mAh battery 30W fast charging support.